What are you saying?
I'm happy baby.
You're a happy baby.
I'm happy baby.
So Soap and Clay Kidlet number 2 is back on the channel today, and she's here for a very special reason. And you're really gonna want to stick around for this video because it's amazing and so cool. But before I tell you why she's here and why it's so cool, hi, I'm Mrs. Soap and Clay.
And I'm Soap and Clay Kidlet number 2.
Let's make stuff. How's it going, Sudsers? Welcome back to the channel. You are here for another round of 365 days of soap, and today is a very special day because today is Soap and Clay Kidlet number 2's birthday. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's your birthday?
Yeah.
I mean, try to act excited. Are you excited? Now, how old are you turning today? What? What?
6.
Can't hear you. You're turning 6 today, yeah. And that's awesome. So everybody make sure to wish Scout a happy birthday for sure. But why are you on the channel today? Why are you here?
Yeah, I made it soap all by myself.
That's right.
And the first was 6 year old to do it. But I was 5 when I made it.
That's right. You were 5 when you made it. You're the first 5, almost 6-year-old to ever make soap, probably. So now what kind of soap did you make? Did you make like the melt and pour stuff where we cut it up and we like we did for the gemstones?
Nope.
No. What did you do?
I made a rainbow wave soap.
Yeah, she made a rainbow wave soap completely out of cold process. She did a cold process soap. She did that. Now, when I say she did it, what I mean is I did it and you just gave me the idea, right?
No. I did it. Mom only poured the lye.
That's right. That's right. She did the whole thing. She did the mixing and the colors and all the things, and you did something cool with a hanger.
Yep. I was the first person ever to use a hanger in a slab mold.
She's the first person ever to use a hanger in a slab mold. It was something else, yeah. So that is what we are doing today. I'm going to show you Scout's very first ever cold process soap, and you're gonna want to stick around for this because it's a wild ride.
This video is gonna be really, really fun.
This video is gonna be really,
and
really
I also
fun.
used a skewer.
She used a skewer, and yeah, this video is gonna be really, really fun.
Let's go.
Good. Okay, so we are making the Addison bar. I love it. And Addison, what's going on here?
So these are my colors. I did like rainbow. So there's my red, there's my orange, there's my yellow, there's my green, there's my blue, there's my indigo. And I also added a gold because I like gold.
I like it. Yeah, that's a good idea. Now, for this particular recipe, we are using the basic 3 for the oil blend. So equal parts olive oil, coconut oil, and palm. And then we are super fatting within the colors there that she's moving away. Yeah, those are your hands. That's right. So Addison's gloves are the purple. So those are her hands. And then I have the clear ones there. And that's right. You can tell who I am by the watch. That's right. And we are super fatting in the mica containers and the beakers there with an argan oil because I like argan oil. Do you like argan oil?
Yeah.
Good. Now, this is a little bit weird here because I just poured the lye water in, right? And you can't really see it. Like the filming didn't go great. We weren't able to see your hands on the stick, but you're totally using that stick right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you used the stick. You were doing that. How'd you like doing that?
It was really fun, and you can see I did spill right there.
You did spill right there. That's
and
right.
Mom is cleaning it up.
Yep, I'm cleaning it up. All right, so was that a fun thing then, doing the mixing of the thing?
Yep.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool tool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool whipper there. I like it. And so we're checking for emulsification there. And again, the angle wasn't great, so we didn't get to see your hands on it, but I'm finishing out the emulsification there and cleaning everything off. And then pouring it all into your beakers,
Yeah.
so then you can do the coloring and all the things, right?
You can see my gold is barely gold anymore.
Yeah,
Which is pretty sad.
that's true, but you haven't mixed it in yet, which is what's going on with that, right?
Yeah.
You still need to mix it. Yeah, now, so why did you pick all these colors?
Because I was making rainbow waves.
You're making rainbow waves. Okay, cool. Yeah, that totally makes sense. So now we split all of these into, and you picked the gold first to
Yeah.
mix up, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we split the entire batch into these 7 containers, and then you're just going to do your mixy mix thing there and make sure the gold gets into, you know, all the soap batter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, how was that part? Did you like that?
Wait.
Yeah? Is Mom helping you out there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why was Mom helping you out?
I didn't need help. I needed help with the lye, but I didn't need help with anything else.
Yeah, you really didn't need help with anything else. I just wanted to start the mixing process for you to make it a little bit easier, because we're always working on a time crunch with soap, right? Because we put clay in the soap, that beaker here on the left that has your scent and your clay in it. And so the batter can get kind of thick. And so I was just trying to help you out with that before we put the clay in, and then it gets even more thick. So I wanted to keep it fluid and not sitting for too long. So I was just helping out. But how did you like doing the mixing of all the other ones?
That was really, really fun for me.
Yeah, I'm totally glad that you had fun with all of that. Now, is it cool, like, watching this back on the video? Because you did it, but now we get to watch you do it. Is that kind of a fun process, watching the video?
Yeah, it's really, really, really fun.
Cool. Now, are we ready to go at this point? Are we ready to pour it into the mold?
Yep.
Are we?
Yep.
We don't need to put any scent in yet?
Oh, yeah, but they're putting in the scent. Obviously, I forgot that.
Yeah, so what scent are we using?
I forgot the name.
You forgot the name?
Yeah.
So this is a wonderberry.
Yeah.
Remember picking out the wonderberry?
Yeah, it was so fun.
We've never actually used this. This was from Aztec, I think. And I don't do a lot with Aztec. I find that I really don't like their fragrance oils in soap. They don't stick as well as other companies, but every once in a while they have some really good ones. And this ended up being a really great one. This wonderberry was very bright and fun and sweet. Did you like the smell of this?
Yep, I did.
Yeah, good. Did you mix it with anything?
Actually, I mixed it with a skewer and a hanger.
Oh, like the actual soap. Yeah, you sure did. And we're going to show everybody that in just a minute. But right now we're mixing in the scent. But you didn't blend the wonderberry scent with anything else, did you?
No.
No? Okay, cool. Now, with this batter is looking really nice. And at this point, are you thinking about what you're going to do for the pour
Yeah.
as you're mixing this up? Or are you just focused on the mixing right now?
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna be, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be like making some rainbow waves, and with a skewer, I'm gonna swirl it.
Oh, so you already had it figured out before you started mixing. You knew exactly what you were going to do with the rainbow waves and the skewer and the swirling?
Yeah.
That's
and
awesome.
also with the hanger.
Oh, and also with the hanger, because again, nobody ever uses a hanger in slab molds, and you did the thing. That's awesome. Okay, so we are on to the pour here, and you are starting out with the first color in the rainbow, right?
Pink.
Yeah, the pink, the red. Absolutely. Did you know the pink's not in the rainbow?
Yeah, but my red turned out pink.
Yeah, your red turns out pink. Red is really hard to actually get in soap, and Mommy doesn't usually try to get it too terribly much because you have to use a lot of colorant, and I don't really like using tons and tons of colorant. So usually when we go red, we actually end up going pink. So you did the red and the orange, and now you're doing what?
Yellow.
Yellow.
You can see that I'm just slapping it. Soon it will look pretty, viewers.
Soon it'll look pretty, viewers. That's right. And then you have the green going on. Like, you're actually you're doing this in the color of the rainbow. That's really cool, in rainbow order. That's pretty smart of you. I like it.
I just literally plopped it in.
You did literally just plop it in.
Look, it's green.
It is green. That color actually turns blue in the once it cures up. It's a really weird color. It looks green while it's in the fresh soap batter, but after it saponifies, it goes blue again. And just like that purple ends up looking better than it does there. Right now it looks kind of gray, huh?
I showed you the soap while I was talking on camera, and you did see my face.
Yeah, totally. That's true. At the end of this video, that's what's going to happen because we shot that before. So now you're telling everybody all of our secrets, and you're taking away the magic of the editing process. Of course, everybody probably knows that, right?
Yeah, everybody probably knows that.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, what is Mom doing here?
She's getting the rest of the color out. That was hard.
Yeah, so I was scraping the beakers, but as I was scraping them, I was asking you where you wanted me to put them, right?
Yeah.
And yep, so you just pointed right there, and so that's where I put them. So yeah, I might be doing like the tedious stuff, but this soap is all you. You are completely guiding all of it.
Yep. Dumping
the thing, and then you just showed, oh look, there's a spill, Mom, clean it up, and I did that. And you told me where you wanted that one too, so I did that too.
I touched the soap by that part.
Yeah, you did, but you have the gloves on to keep you nice and safe, right? Yeah. Yeah. Were you scared making any of this? Did you feel unsafe?
No.
No. Well, that's good. I really like what you have going on here. It's got a lot of colors just kind of all over the place. It's going to be some pretty epic rainbow waves, I think. All right. Yeah, and the scraping of the soap, it's getting, it's not really thick, but, the scraping of the soap out of the end of the beaker, that can be kind of a pain in the butt, right?
Yeah.
That one got thick, though. Why do you think that one got more thick?
I don't know, but we also shook the mold a little bit to get the colors blending. And then after that, I skewered it and hang with it, and then we did the shaking thing again, and we were done.
Yeah, all of those things happened. That's actually really good memory, Scout, because that actually hasn't happened in the video yet. It's coming up, but you remember that that's what you did, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
It was so fun.
I'm glad that you had fun with it. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with you while you were doing this. It was cool. Mommy wasn't scared at all.
And if you want a soap class from me, I will give you one.
Oh, you're going to teach soap classes, huh?
Yeah.
I like it. And there's you doing the hanger.
Yep.
Talk about the hanger.
Well, I was actually using it to make little patterns in the middle. You can see how it also makes the bumps on the top.
Yeah, you did that. That was really cool. And you said you just wanted to do that one piece with the hanger, right? And the other side you just wanted to skewer. Oh, I like your skewering skills. That's pretty epic. Now with your skewer, did you put the tip all the way down to the bottom of the mold, or did you just skewer the top of it?
I actually, he did something really cool. I used the part that wasn't pointy. See, you can see my pointing part like up there.
Oh, yeah.
I used the part that wasn't pointy and started spinning it and twirling it and doing that. Mom was telling me that it was turning gray, but it did not.
I was telling you that at that exact moment. If you skewer it too much, you're going to end up with nothing but a gray soap.
But it didn't turn gray.
It super didn't turn gray. No, I was wrong. You did a great job on this. Yeah, I really like the detail that you're putting into the skewering process, for sure. I don't know that I've ever skewered a soap this long, to be honest with you.
And it might be 5 minutes long, so there might just be 5 minutes of me skewering.
You think there's going to be 5 minutes of you skewering?
Yeah.
I think you probably spent a good 5 minutes on the skewering process. Like, we sped this up a little bit. You were very, very detailed and precise with your skewers.
Yes, I was.
Yes, you were.
I just don't want to blend the orange. See, I just didn't start blending the orange until now.
Oh, yeah, totally. I mean, you have blended the orange a little bit here, but yeah, you were focusing on other areas to get your masterpiece going, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. It's a really pretty soap. You've done a great job with that. Definitely looks like rainbow waves, for sure.
I came out with little bumpy bumps.
Oh, yeah, and you're twisting it around like that to skewer it. That's really cool. Yeah. Yes, you did a lot of skewering to this, for sure.
And I will teach you how to make the soap.
You're going to teach us how to make that soap? I think that's kind of what we're doing right now. We're showing everybody the process.
I'm going to do an actual class at the soap shop. So anyone that wants to make my soap, just come to the soap shop.
Oh, yeah, there you go. It's a good plug. Thanks. Appreciate that. Yeah, you want to make Scout soap? Just come to the soap shop.
And I'll show you how.
Oh, look, and we're going to shake the mold now. Are you going to shake it?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Yeah.
I'm making it jiggle.
You are making it jiggle. That's great. And Mommy's sort of putting her hands there, like stabilizing it just so it doesn't fall off the counter, right?
And then Mom spins it.
Yeah, it was fun spinning it. It was very cool. And I'm just going to clean up the edges now, and then we're going to put it in the oven for C-pop. So we're going to make sure that all of these colors get nice and bright by forcing it through gel phase. And then we will cut it tomorrow and see what it looks like. Do you like it so far, though? You excited to see the cut? Yeah, me too. So we're going to go check that one out right now. Okay, we are on to the cut, and what a beautiful slab of soap that is. My goodness, Scout, you did such a good job. You see how those blues turned blue and not green anymore? Those purples did really nice too, right?
Yeah, but why did it say it's Addisonberry? It's called the Addison bar. That's weird.
It's called the Addison bar, not the Addisonberry. I thought that would be kind of cute to name it the Addisonberry because it's the wonderberry and you're Addison. It's like mixing the two names. But if you want it just to be Addison bar, we can do that.
It can be Addisonberry.
Addisonberry?
Yes.
I like it. That's cute. All right, so now Mom's going to cut these up into their individual pieces here. Like, you're not doing the cutting, right?
Yeah, I'm not going to do the cutting. It's too dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous. You have those safety knives that we got for cooking at the house, but I don't know if they're big enough to actually do the cutting. And honestly, I need safety knives. I'm not allowed to use knives this big. So anytime Daddy sees a video with me using a big old knife like this, he just shakes his head. Like, that's not allowed because Mommy's not great with knives. But look, she's doing a good job cutting the soap, don't you think?
Yeah, I wish you did a good job cutting this up, but that is very... I just don't want you to get away.
Oh yeah, no, I don't want to get hurt either. That's why Daddy doesn't like me using knives because I tend to hurt myself.
Yes, you do.
It's cute watching your little hands go in and out of the top of the screen there as you're checking out all the pieces that I cut.
I just keep grabbing them.
You do keep grabbing them, that's right.
I just like grabbed it from the screen and put it back.
Yeah, you did. So what do you think of all your bars now that they're all cut up here?
I love them.
I love them too. They're really pretty. Let's see which one's going to be your favorite. That one's pretty nice. Mostly yellow and orange, right?
Yeah.
That one's cool.
You can see I am lining them all up, trying to,
You sure are lining them all up. And your sister's hands was just in that too. She just grabbed a bar to check out as well, didn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There she is again.
There she is again. Those were really pretty bars though. You did so good. Mommy's just messing up your entire lineup process, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop messing up my process.
Well, I mean, I have to show everybody all the cool bars. Oh my gosh, so there it is. That is your soap. Did you have a fun time doing it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to do another?
Yeah.
Yeah? This one is pretty epic, but this is your birthday soap because today is your birthday. You were 6 years old. This is day 120, the Addisonberry bar. And Addison made it 100% on her own, right?
My birthday is July 31st.
That's right. Your birthday is July 31st. And you did an excellent job. And there it is, day 120, Scout's first cold process soap. And isn't it awesome? Doesn't it look absolutely amazing?
Yes, this is it.
That's good soap. Do you like that soap? How's it smell?
Really good. I wish you guys could smell this right now.
Yeah, it's a really good scent. She picked a really good blend. I've never actually used this blend before, so it's really cool that, she did. And it's been working out really well, and she loves it. Have you used that soap yet? No, you haven't used that soap yet. Are we going to sell your bar to other people? What?
Well, we're not going to sell this one.
You're not going to sell that one?
Mine.
That one's yours, absolutely. Yeah, but if you are interested in Scout's bar, who actually, she decided it's not the Scout bar, because A, we already have one, but two, her real name is Addison, her middle name's Scout, I call her Scout, and so she decided to name this
the Addison bar.
The Addison bar, that's right. So if you are interested in the Addison bar, you can totally get on the website at soapandclay.com. If you are interested in more soapy antics, you should subscribe to the channel because I let a 5-year-old make soap. So things get crazy around here. But that basically does it for me today. Thank you so much for joining me for another round of 365 days of soap. I super appreciate it. And again, wish Scout a very, very happy birthday. She is the coolest 6-year-old on the planet, and I'm certainly glad she's mine. And yeah, that does it for us today, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.